go for a new project.
Mm.
I can put store period performance. Uh, Otherwise, like financial periods, store period performance. Okay, now like what we can do means I can consider only one activity and I will consider 7 cross 4 28 days. Okay, so that it's easy for you to understand. Okay, and I'm going to schedule this to what we can do just a better but we can just select the July, August. Better I can just select the August date. So the upcoming date. Schedule this. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So 28 August 1. So what I can do means like I am going to create a calendar. So it will be easy for you to
Okay.
understand in that case.
Okay.
Calendar across global and
Mm.
I'm adding 7 plus 24. Okay. 7
Mhm.
days. Okay.
Isn't it
Calendar.
that one, the 7 by 24
No,
calendar?
no, that one is different. That I taken a template, but
Mm.
now
Okay.
I'm going to just put only 10 hours every day.
Hmm.
Resource leveling and resource curves and all we have seen, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, we've seen. I remember those. Yes, I
Yeah,
remember this even. Yeah. Hmm.
yeah. So this one 70. So this is enough. Click OK.
Hmm.
Okay, then click OK. Okay, this like you need to assign to the project and also to the activity. In the general, you can see by default HO calendar, na, but now you can also
Hmm.
assign the 7 days calendar.
Hmm.
Okay, now you need to assign the project also better. So project also like you can go to defaults, then you can select the calendar.
Hmm.
Okay, now like you need to select the financial period also here in the general. So for that we need to create the financial period first. So go to admin financial period calendars. Since it's like new version, we can create separate financial period calendars.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, August 2024. Then click modify. Then I can put a start date as July 1st.
August 1st.
Yeah, August 1st.
Hmm.
Okay, then it is like going to end by 28.
Hmm.
Okay, like every one week. Every 1 week. Okay, so the period ends on Wednesday, right? Okay,
Hmm.
ends on Wednesday and batch create. So it is
Okay.
automatically will create a four financial periods. So 1 to 7, 8 to 14, 15 to 21, 20 to 28. Okay.
Okay.
Then close it.
Hmm.
Then you need to assign this to the financial period. So for that, like you need to close the open project. So when I click here now, it will automatically get closed also. You put
Hmm.
here assign. Okay, see it is asking to close. So you just click OK. So everything it will close and then we can open again.
Mm.
So now we change the financial period for the new project we created.
Mm.
Okay, now what we can do means we can go for a baseline, but you need to assign the resource. Okay,
Yes. Hmm.
okay, the resource like we have. Okay, but I can consider this to 10, for example.
Hmm.
Okay, then I can go to activities,
And assign it from there. Hmm.
assign to the resource, add resources. Okay, okay. Now I will send you one Excel screenshot that we can consider.
Oh, okay.
Just a minute.
On my phone or
No.
on
I will
WhatsApp
send
or
you.
on...
Yeah, WhatsApp.
Okay.
Just a minute. Can you see that one in your WhatsApp?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so totally, like I will take the budgeted units as 560. That is like actual, but I will take 500
Yeah,
for
500 is the budgeted. Yeah.
okay, so 500. So you can see the cost. So 5,000. It's correct. Now we can
Mm-hmm.
go to the baseline.
Mm-hmm.
So project maintain baseline.
Maintain.
Yeah. Click OK and then close it.
And then assign.
Yeah. Assign baseline. Select.
In
Now.
real life projects, people compare baselines or
Yeah. What do you mean?
in because we in our example we only did one baseline. Uh, but in real life projects, is it like do people compare different baselines or no? They just stick to one.
It's not comparison. Like if project like is not going well, they need to reframe the things so that they can
Things.
again fix the new baseline. Like that, like you should
Okay.
avoid creating baseline, which means like too many changes in the project also it will leads to the project to be unsuccessful.
Mm, okay.
Okay, so now like we have baseline and also the baseline is visible in the Gantt chart. Otherwise, we can
Yeah.
go from bar
Mm,
and you can see that baseline also selected. Okay, now
mm.
like we're going to apply the status. So, but before that, like we need to go for the financial period columns.
Okay.
But in this column, like you can't see feedback after that financial period not there. So to make it come here, like go to edit user preference. Do you remember? Okay.
Okay.
Here, like you can go to the application and click load financial period data, and you can select the thing. For example, one and two 31st, right? I can put 28. So then when you close, then you can see after little refresh, then you can go to columns and you can see the financial period values.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Why are
Just
there multiple? Shouldn't there be only four?
because for each and every week, like all the earned value things, it will come. This is like
Okay, okay,
we
okay.
can track weekly basis or monthly
Weekly
basis.
basis. Okay, okay.
Okay, that's right. Okay, now like we don't have anything. Once we started updating and after storing the performance, then we can have. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
started. Like I can put 25 percentage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you need to go for schedule. So schedule, then you need to select which date, 8th. Okay, on the 8th, like 1 week completed, now schedule.
Yeah.
Okay, now it should not go away from the baseline, but real time, like it may go away or before, like now for easy
Mm-hmm.
understanding, like I'm making like this. Now go to
Mm-hmm.
resources and you need to put actual regular units coming. This is what I shown there. Okay, but like right click columns, actual this period unit. Okay, so actual this period unit is 125. This is what I shown in the graph.
Mm.
This is what I shown in the Excel sheet. Okay, but
Mhm.
like actually they are spending more units, 150.
Yeah, 150. Yeah.
That I can put here, and you can go for tools. Um, Store period performance, and it will automatically come with the 1st August. Then store now. If once you stored, it will become zero again. Okay,
What
that's
do
why
you mean by store? What does that do, the store?
that one like for the particular week it is storing. So that's why it
Okay,
becomes
that's the
zero.
data for that one particular week.
So you can
Okay.
see actual this period units will become zero now.
Hmm.
Okay, now I can go to the
Okay.
next week status. Then you can put 50.
Mm.
Okay, then we can put schedule 15 schedule that. Okay, then we can go to the resource. Now, like what is the actual this period unit? Here it's showing something, but don't worry. In the Excel sheet, it was 120.
Mhm.
So 120. Now what we need to do? Go to tools store period performance. See, now you can see
Mhm.
automatically coming to the next batch.
Mhm.
Once you
Got it.
store, it's difficult to erase. So you need to be careful before storing anything.
Okay.
Okay. Then it will become zero again. That it will get add up here. Okay. Now for the
Mhm.
third status.
Mhm. I see. Also, when we're scheduling like up to a point, like uh, like up to a particular date is what we're scheduling.
That is the
Yeah.
status state. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now like
Yeah.
the third week completed. So the next day we are just updating
Next
the
day.
schedule.
Yeah. Schedule. Yeah.
Okay, now like we can go to resources. Now what is the actual this period unit as per the Excel 160?
Mhm.
Okay, now like we need to go to store period performance. So see, it is coming automatically. Just store now. Just ensure before storing anything. Okay.
Yeah. Then what about the actual regular units? It is 430.
No, that's fine because budgeted unit is not changing. No, actual regular unit it
Mhm.
definitely will change.
What is actual regular units then? If
No, actual regular unit in the sense like it's like a whole project.
Okay, but shouldn't it be much less than 430 because
No,
we've
we not completed. Now 75% only completed. Now like I'm going for
Oh, okay.
status.
So once we get to 100, it should be 500, 500. Like
No, it will be
the
more than that because we are
uh,
spending more units now. Now I'm going to schedule.
okay.
So go to select the 29
Hmm.
schedule. Okay, then I can go to the resources. Then actual this period. What is the final one? 130 I was having. Okay.
160, you 130, yes.
See,
Hmm.
now it became budgeted unit is 500, regular unit is 560 as a whole. But because of the store
Uh,
period performance, like go to
okay,
tools,
okay. I see now. I
store
understand now.
period
Okay.
performance. See, you can
Mm-hmm.
see it's stored now.
Mm-hmm.
Because of this, like not only the total regular units we can see, but we
So
can
we
also
used
see in
more
the
than
columns.
was. Hmm.
See, this is like separately you can see the end value things. Now, see, it is like
Hmm.
for the first week, some values and all
Hmm.
coming. See this
Hmm.
units, labor units and all. So that's why if you want to see separately, it is also a good like if you're
Hmm.
doing like this, like in the real time situation, like you're supposed to
Hmm.
have a monthly basis, weekly basis, like quarterly basis,
Hmm.
half-yearly basis, like that.
Hmm. How can we create reports on a financial period?
This financial period, like what we can do, like now we have everything, right? Okay, then we
Hmm.
can go to the tools reports.
Hmm.
Okay, then we can start creating a report because now we have the columns, right?
Hmm.
Okay, now I can add to new report the activity, next columns. So the financial period. See now it is there.
Ah, right, 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 right. Okay, I
Once
see now.
you because of the edit user preference, these things it will come. Why not?
Hmm. I
Okay.
see.
The activity status and all, if you not needed, like you can just
Remove it.
take
Yeah.
away.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, activity ID, but activity name we can put at least.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then we can click OK. Then we can the column is completed. Then we can go to the group and sort.
Mm-hmm.
So WBS. So you need to click the WBS. I was putting W and I am not clicking. If you're not clicking, it will go. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Then go for next. Financial period.
PER.
Yeah,
Yeah.
period report. The run report you can see, but we have many columns now. Might not come
Mm.
correctly. See only like 1 of 11.
Oh, okay. I see.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so the next you can see next like this it is getting split, and you
Mm-hmm.
can do some changes here like
Mm-hmm.
page setup and all. Page
Mm-hmm.
setup like
A portrait. Yeah.
if you're putting page to one wide, okay, then
Mm-hmm.
click OK. Uh, uh, okay,
Can you change it to portrait? Maybe that will help.
yeah. So actually it was okay. Portrait is not good, no landscape because it is
Or
having more
landscaping.
column.
Mount column,
Okay,
fine.
but
Mm-hmm.
here it is not correct. A4. Now what we can take? We can just take something bigger,
Mm-hmm.
maybe legal, apply. Okay, now you can see it's just reducing to the. It's not readable. It is.
Reasonable, readable. All right, I see. But I just wanted to know like if we could make a reports with. So it's a bit difficult because there's so many columns in a week.
Okay. So I can
Yeah.
just do this kind of things from here.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
not only from maybe 25 percentage. Okay, like this, like we have 25 percentage means like that. Just to like if you're putting 75, apply. Mm. So now you can put a more value if you want.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now it is okay. Like this, like we can also go for portrait or landscape. It's up to you.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then we can print it so you can see the values one by one, the next
Yeah.
pages,
Mm-hmm.
or we print as a PDF like that.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So this way, like you can create a next save report, but that is like only for this financial period. It might not this template you can't use because financial period is something like
Mm-hmm.
more specific
Se
now.
Specific, yes. I see. It's not a general
Yeah, but still
template.
I have. So we can't run.
Mm-hmm.
We can't able to run. Might be for the rest of the project. If running also, it might not come with the what expecting results. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.